and I do have a lot of friends who tell me, bro, so people hang out on Twitch now, people get parasocial friendships now, people are not supposed to get girlfriends anymore, people are supposed to pay for OnlyFans and shit. So that's how we do things now. So you adapt or die. But it feels wrong. It's not right. Something's not right about the whole ordeal. Something's not right about being isolated. Something's not right, and no matter how much you try to mind game me otherwise, I'm never gonna support. I'm never gonna support the argument. Yeah, bro. Like everyone pays for OnlyFans now. You're supposed to like satiate yourself with a fucking OnlyFans. You know why people pay for OnlyFans? It's because so at some point the porn pages realized, so people are tired of this shit. Like porn is not enough. You're showing them porno. It's not enough. People actually crave a real relationship. So they decide, oh, so on OnlyFans, so you actually subscribe to the woman, and the woman like sends you, well, she pretends to send you text messages and shit. But hear me out. But this is what happens though. So you end up competing with like 10,000 other fucking assholes for her attention, and not to mention that. So apparently, some OnlyFans girls, like they literally just pay a Filipino call center to answer the messages. I'm not kidding. That's what they do. So they pay a Filipino call center, and meanwhile they're like going around. Oh, oh, that was a good attempt. Meanwhile, they're like partying around on Zurich, Sweden, and shit with the money of all of the simps. So there's something incredibly diabolical about it all, right? There's something incredibly perverted and perverse about it, about this idea that so the status quo, the de facto model right now is to have attention go virtually to certain women, and for men to become pay pigs for them. So it's kind of like a flow of libido, right? That they're aggregating into their bank accounts, right? So there's something incredibly perverse about it.